So how's it going, everyone? Now today I had a little red day, and I'm not super excited to make this video, but I'm going to anyway because I want to be transparent. And yeah, red days happen for everyone, and I just have to accept them and learn from them. Now I took a small handful of trades today, and the first one especially was really not bad at all, and I should have capitalized on it more. And I've noticed lately that the theme in my trading has been I've had the right idea, just the wrong execution. And last night when I was journaling my trades from yesterday, I reminded myself to stick to my plan in the trade. One of my weaknesses has been setting a well-defined stop loss and respecting it. And I think on the first trade today, I could have done a better job of doing that. And yeah, you'll see what I mean during the live trading. It's just something I'm trying to work on. So like always, enjoy the live trading. I'm going to go for it on an AMD. Well, it's already going in our favor. I think we timed that right. I bought 2 cheap contracts, so I mean, yeah, it was basically a perfect entry. I mean, yeah, the contracts are not the best because I bought some pretty cheap ones, but I'm going to take one off there actually, just to kind of play it safe. Got out of that, so yeah, it's too bad that trade ended up being basically even. SPY has a nice bull flag to it right now. Going for it. Stop is going to be right around here. I don't know, it's not looking super promising right now. And it hit my stop. I'm shorting here. I'm not going to give us a lot of wiggle room at all. Basically, if we get above this candle, I'm out. Oh. Well, there you go. Was that a liquidity grab, though? It's hard to say. I hope not. Yeah, look at that. That's nasty. Okay, well, looks like I think I'm done for the day. So now to break down these trades. Now the first one was on AMD on the 2-minute time frame. And you can see I really have no excuse to have not made more money on this trade. I probably could have chosen better contracts, but I really did not want to be over leveraged. So yeah, you can see it's basically a bull flag. I look for this setup all the time off the open, and this arrow right here represents my entry with 2 contracts. And I instantly got a nice move in my favor. I timed this trade pretty much perfectly. And on this second bar, we got a nice move up, and then it started to slow down, so I sold 1 contract right here. And when this candle top wicked and it really wasn't moving super well, I sold my other contract right here. And the trade ended up being just a really small win. And yeah, you can see if I was a little bit more patient, I would have made a little bit more. But yeah, I mean, you can never catch the entire move, right? So now the next one was on SPY. And yeah, I was basically going for a bull flag off the 9 EMA. But you can see this entry was not good at all. This arrow is where I entered with 2 really cheap contracts. And I had that feeling of regret as soon as I clicked buy because I noticed that the tape wasn't going very fast and things just kind of paused right here, which was not a good sign. This is one of those trades that instantly went down and hit my stop loss. So yeah, that trade really did not work out. And you know, given the price action, I probably just shouldn't have taken it, or I should have waited for a short opportunity. But it is what it is. Now, the third trade was on the QQQ. And you know, this one was a little bit frustrating because I feel like it was a pretty good setup. I was going for the break and retest of this line, which is pre-market low. And basically, we made a move off of pre-market low, came back up into the 9 EMA and started to come down off of it. So this arrow is where I got short with 2 really cheap contracts. And this is an example of a liquidity grab from big institutional like banks or whatever. It broke through the low a day really fast and then bottom wicked. So it was kind of like a stop loss candle. And then yeah, it just had absolutely no follow through, so I sold right around here. So yeah, I'm kind of guilty of trading the chop today. I mean, there were some good short opportunities a little bit later, but I chose to just call it after 3 trades. I really don't like to take more than 3 trades because then I feel like I'm always over trading and revenge trading. So that was it for me today. And now if we go take a look at the account, not a great day. We're sitting at 481 and a 2% loss on the day. And yeah, I was getting kind of hopeful because at one point this week I had my account just over 500 again, and I was making back the small losses, but I'm kind of giving back my profits as of today. But that's alright. I gotta remember that I'm learning from every loss I take, and I really do believe that I am getting better, even though my P&L results don't really show it. But yeah, I just have to remember that it does take time. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna try to get one more video out this week. So yeah, we'll see how these next 2 trading days go. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.